Hey everybody. Okay, just going to do a little quick video here on TLRY, TLRY. And as you can see here, it is just lighting up the stock twits forums like crazy. Um, Everybody talking about it going to 500. And I just want to go through it. And it just appeared on Fast Money tonight. If you don't know CNBC, Fast Money. Um, I call this the kiss of death because it's actually funny because usually I actually did a little study on this a while back. Whenever stocks appear on Fast Money and especially on Kramer, um, uh, that's usually when the retail world becomes aware of it, and as such, it's usually when the stock play is over, when institutions will bail out. Not that I think there's a lot of institutional play in this, but this stock, complete complete nonsense. Trading 170 right now. The stock has $24 million in earnings. That's it. Why is the stock flying? Well, obviously, there's a lot of stories of rumors of buyouts in the cannabis space, but this particular stock got approval for a test. Let me just let me just say what that means. A test trial in the United States for drug use for medical marijuana. A test trial. Okay, that means nothing. These trials, they have three stages. Those stages can take months and years in some cases. Okay, so this is just complete and utter hype. And when I found out about this, I definitely wanted to short this. But unfortunately, the reason why it's flying is the same reason why you can't short it. Because if you take a look at the stock, what you're going to see here is you're going to see TLRY. You'll see that it's only got a tiny float. I mean, um, it's got a 59 million share float. It's nothing. It's like almost a micro cap to a certain degree, right? And not only that, but the volume today turned over the float twice. So you can see that only 5% of the float is short. So you can't short it because you can't find it anywhere to buy it, right? Or to borrow it. So it's not shortable. So then I took a quick look at the options market, and this is where I really want to give you guys a heads up, okay? Because I know you stock traders don't really understand things, but in the options market, this is where the smartest money in the world goes to hedge their trades. Okay? Listen to what I'm telling you. Okay? The options and derivatives markets are used as hedges against their trade. And the first thing I want to draw your attention to is this little number right here. These are the 31-day puts and calls. Now, look what the calls are trading at. 15.20 to 18. Look what the puts are trading at. 65 to 69. So the options market is pricing in an 86 point move over the next 30 days. Okay? So what does that mean? They're suggesting that the stock is either going to go up or down $86 in the next 30 days. Okay? So, what direction do you think the smart money is betting? The market makers in this. They're betting that that stock is going to go a lot lower in the next 36 days, and that's why they're charging you a $65 premium in order to buy that put. So, is it crazy, right? A 170 put trading for $65, but it's a lot cheaper than shorting the stock, right? The only problem is that move has to happen in the next 31 days. Will it happen in the next 31 days? Nobody knows. When a stock goes parabolic like this, this stock could go to 200, no problem. So what I do know about the company is that it's complete hype. There's absolutely no way in the world this valuation should be holding. At best, it's a $43 stock. At best. So you got a ton of premium in this thing based on, I mean, it's got $24 million in sales. Okay. I did a video a little while ago about future stocks move on future expectations of earnings, right? This company's losing 17 cents, right? It's in for a big giant correction very soon. When is it going to happen? I don't know. But I'll start thinking about building a position when we get something along the lines of we get some retracement underneath this level, right? When it gets back underneath 123, if I can borrow it, I'll think about shorting it. But I don't think I'm going to be able to borrow it, to be very honest with you. You never know. But and if the options aren't too expensive, then I'll think about shorting it underneath 124. But for now, it's on a ride. Enjoy the rush if you got it, but don't be greedy. Bears make money, bulls make money, pigs get slaughtered. As fast as this went up, it's going to go down just as fast. Bye for now.